Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is July 26, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Russell 2000 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is off educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right. Let's jump over here to the charts and see what we see. Let me maximize this quarterly chart and resize it a little bit and zoom on in here. This Russell is trying to make some highs. It's got year for the quarter. It definitely already has made a yearly high and all. We got to get past this whole supply right here, and then we'll be fighting that high to get to all-time highs. Can the Russell do it? Oh, it's fooling me every week here and trying to go higher. Got to kind of just wait and see and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, this has probably been the hottest month for the Russell since December, as we can see here on this monthly chart. The Russell has crossed an R2 level. It's definitely above the 10 moving average. It's definitely bullish, and it's definitely trying to go higher. Watching this thing trade throughout the day, you can see it making pullbacks and fighting at that top, trying to eat up all that supply as it gets thrown at it. We got to just wait and see how this Russell is going to play out here for the next, probably for the next month or so. See if it actually can get to where it makes all-time highs. It's kind of like it's trying to get in sync with the other markets, and the other markets are actually slowing down and waiting for the Russell to play catch up. That's what I see and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, as we can see, ever since it's gotten above this high right here, this recent high for this year, it has been trying, definitely pushing higher. You know, last week it had this big long tail, and the thing was this a sign of a top? Look like not at all. It actually it didn't make a higher high this week and all, but it did actually trade up through that wick and close near the top of this previous week. So we got to wait and see what happened here on the Russell so far. The Russell, we still have higher lows, but we just didn't get a higher high this week. So be careful, be careful, be careful. We may be topping out finally on this Russell thing. But that's what I see. All right, let's go down and take a quick look at the daily noise and wrap this on up. And on the daily noise, it was noisy this week. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This market didn't really go too far this week at all. It got back into the old Russell pattern of going sideways and all. It's definitely having a hard time at this top right now. But from what I'm seeing, looks like they're trying to hold it up here. Supply is trying to get rid of its supply. Demand is holding it up here and want this thing to go, see if it's going to actually go higher. So be patient. Be mindful of your trading plan and your trading strategies at this time, because we are finally trading at a top or very near a top on the Russell. So be mindful of your trading plan and your trading strategies at this time. And that's all I have to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.